Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to upload files in Hostinger. It's a very easy tutorial. You can upload zip file with this way and also PHP file. The process of all these are same. So let's get started. First of all, obviously you need to log into your account and this is how it looks like. This is where you will see your premium plan and click on manage over here. Once you click on manage, click on file manager. After that, you will end up over here. Click on public HTML and here you can upload your files in a folder also and in your existing website if you want. But obviously I'm not going to do that. As you can see at the top, I have two domains already over here as a subdomain. So I can use those as my website. So how you can create a folder? Just click on this option, create folder, name that directory. I'm going to write new website, click on create, and here you can upload your files. At the top right corner, click on this option, click on file, and here you can see I have a website which is in zip file. Make sure to upload a zip file. Click on this. It might take some time as you can see at the bottom right corner. Once you upload your website in a zip file, make sure to extract it. Just click on this and here you will see at the top right corner extract icon. Just click on this option. Make sure to choose the folder. Right now it's going to extract over here. Click on this. Once you extract that over here, you can see this is where I have extracted right now. And you can open that and you can see all your files over here. And obviously you can move them by clicking on Ctrl A on your keyboard and you can click on this arrow. Find that page again. Click on move. And here you can see I have moved all files from this folder to my new website. And after that, I can just delete all those zip files and also the folder which I have created for extraction. And that's it. This is how you can easily upload files on Hostinger. You can also upload zip file, PHP file like this way. And that's it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.